Well, tonight, Spokane County is officially declaring an outbreak of whooping cough in the county. There are 123 confirmed cases so far. Right now, cases of whooping cough are surging in Washington, with almost 1,200 cases reported this year statewide. And just for reference, by this time last year, there were only 51 cases. 28 people have had to be hospitalized, including 12 infants. We've also seen outbreaks in Whitman and Grant counties, as well as North Idaho, which currently has 278 confirmed cases. Health officials say your best protection is to get vaccinated.